Good morning and welcome to the Meat Around the World Show. Today out of Quartzsite, Arizona,
where we are making breakfast. Pancakes with bacon, of course.
Absolutely, and in our travel section we'll take you to Tucson and Tombstone. So stay tuned for that. Okay, let's talk a little bit about bacon here in the US. Nice handful of bacon. All right, I got thick cut bacon, I got thin cut bacon, and I got flavored bacon. This is flavored with maple syrup, and that goes really well with the pancakes, of course, because normally you'd put maple syrup or Jemima syrup on top of your pancakes anyway. So we're of course going for the maple flavored bacon today. And we're going to cook the pancakes and the bacon in this lid of our Dutch oven, because I like that better than over the fire, because bacon is so fatty it'll just create too much of a fire.
So I am using Aunt Jemima's, of course. We're loving American style pancakes while we're here in the States. Back at home in Switzerland I would have always just sort of made a crepe batter with eggs and flour and milk. But whilst being on the road, this is really good alternative when we're running low on milk and have no eggs, of course, because you just add water. Good job. And you can always add a little more of the mix or water. We want that nice, thick and creamy consistency. It's mixing. We don't want any lumps. Very good. All right. You don't want your butter to burn. And then once it's melted, you simply pour your batter in. We like to make our pancakes nice and small, so we have a lovely stack. So this was a fantastic gift that we received at Christmas from Denise, a handmade roasting bag. And this is perfect for our pancakes. It insulates inside, it keeps them really toasty for quite a few hours. You can use tortillas, anything that you want to keep warm basically. Fantastic, best present ever. Thank you, Denise.
Maple flavored bacon. I love it. It's expensive though, but definitely worth the while. Worth the treat every now and then. Okay. There you go. That's breakfast in the air. Woo! Beautiful. Oh yeah.
It was the week before Christmas and we spent time in and around Tucson. As well as working on our Christmas edition in the midst of the giant saguaros, we went for many walks, hiking the dirt roads where the ATVs played at the weekends. We went to an outstanding Mexican butcher and took Zoe to the library. What a paradise for our little bookworm. We stumbled upon the Pima Air and Space Museum and spontaneously decided to pull over and take a closer look. So we're here at Pima Air and Space Museum outside of Tucson. This place was enormous. Not only did it showcase commercial planes from the past and the present, but a huge variety of fighter planes used in the Air Force too. Planes and helicopters flown across the globe and through many different wars. We had fun exploring this museum, and there was even a Hall of Fame honouring those that have worked in the aviation field. Zoe took a great interest too, and maybe one day she'll be in that Hall of Fame as well. A little north of Tucson lies Pinal Airpark. Due to southern Arizona's very dry climate, air carriers choose to store their unused or retired planes in this boneyard. It is the biggest facility of its kind in the world, and we had a little nosy. Tombstone, Wyatt Earp's town, east of Tucson, but as wild west as it gets. Although the miners moved on after the silver mine flooded in 1886, the town is very much alive and kicking, and still does its nickname proud. Town too tough to die. These days, however, mostly only for tourists. just had a little walk around the town. I'm going to go again tomorrow morning, see if we can catch a gunfight. Yeah, as they call it. And here's Santa. Zoe's already getting acquainted. Yeah, Santa's big beard.
Yeah.
That's where you put the money. We already did that, didn't we? Cowgirl.
Hey, Zozo.
You live in Tombstone?
That was the best gunfight we've ever seen. Bye bye, Tombstone.
Don't throw away your bacon grease. You can use it later for an awesome Brussels sprouts meal. Whoa, look at that. All right, let's dig in. Well, usually we'll take a banana. Right, Zoe? Pancakes. All right, there you go. So, just layer them up. Bit of banana. Bacon. Bit of blueberries. Jemima.
Jemima. Can you say Jemima? Aunt Jemima.
Yep. Bacon. Blueberries. Jemima. And a lid. Oh. Man.
Not bad, huh?
Nope.
So we like to eat a variety breakfast. We like to eat sort of bagels, fried eggs, scrambled eggs with roasty, like hash browns.
Yeah.
And then, but once a week we always have pancakes. It's our go-to breakfast.
Yep.
Yeah. And we sort of got this sort of combination from New Zealand, didn't we?
With the bacon and the banana. Yeah.
You know, never really had that before, and
oh, it works.
yes,
A treat.
especially with the syrup. I mean, in New Zealand they have maple syrup, but it is beautiful.
We have maple syrup every now and then.
Yeah. It's not too cheap here, is it? It's a little
because,
pricey.
This is like $2 and half the size of a maple syrup bottle.
Like 10.
It's about $10. So
no exaggeration.
there you go. But we trust Auntie Jemima, so there you go.
And you know, this and the pancake mix.
Yeah, very good.
They know what they're doing.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
So always have your coffee ready with your pancakes. It's just a must.
If you go to an American diner or a cafe, they'll just come and top your coffee up.
Okay, so if you've enjoyed our show about Tucson and the Airplane Museum and Tombstone and the Wild West, yeah, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching, and meet you around the world. Bye.
Say bye-bye.
Cheers, Zoe. Bye-bye. to the camera.